Walking through the garden, what will we see? Walking through the garden, come and learn with me. Hi, my name is Miss Maz and I live in Australia. Let's do some outdoor learning. What can you hear? What can you see? I think there's some ducklings close to me. I can see one duckling. Can you see the other one? Under my hand? Under my hand? There it is. Let's count the ducklings. There's one duckling here and another duckling here. That means we've got 1, 2. 2 ducklings. Let's try that with our fingers. 1, 2. 2 ducklings. Let's sound out the word duckling. Duckling. Can you hear that first sound? Duckling. It starts with a D. That's the letter D. D for duckling. Let's hear all the sounds. D, A, K, U, I, N. Duckling. So many sounds. Let's hear the syllables. Duckling. Can you clap it with me? Duckling. How many syllables is that? Duckling. 2 syllables. That's right. 2 syllables for duckling. This is Dot the duck. She's a mother duck. Her name is Dot because of the dot on the side of her head. She's the mum of the ducklings. One day they will grow to be as big as her. Her favourite food is peas. She's a very happy duck. One duckling, 2 ducklings, 3 ducklings, 4 ducklings, 5 ducklings, 6 ducklings. 6 ducklings swimming in the water. These ducklings are swimming in the water, paddling their feet and swimming in the water. These ducklings are swimming in the water. Watch them as they splish splash around. These ducklings are swimming in the water, dipping their heads and swimming in the water. These ducklings are swimming in the water. Watch them as they splish splash around. These ducklings are swimming in the water, wagging their tails and swimming in the water. These ducklings are swimming in the water. Watch them as they splish splash around. 6 ducklings. All the different colours, some brown, some white, some grey. 6 ducklings paddling, swimming, wagging their tails, dipping their heads. See how the water just rolls down their back in the droplets? That means they don't get too cold or too wet, and they can swim for a very long time. Look at their strong bills at the front. And they've got their webbed feet that help them swim. Their long necks, their little wings, their soft feathers. Ducks love water. And they're still growing. One day they'll be as big as their mum. This duckling has a strong bill to help it get its food. It's got lots of feathers. It has little wings that will grow. It also has strong legs and webbed feet that help it swim. Thanks for walking through the garden with me. I wonder next time what we might see, what we might hear. The ducklings and I would like to say goodbye, and we'll see you soon. Did you hear that? We'll have to find out what it was. We'll find out next time for some more outdoor learning. Like and subscribe so you don't miss out.